Sanibonani Domalang Senchao. I am Judicious Masugu and welcome to Navigating the Streets of Life with Judy. It's been a minute. I have been away for a minute, but I'm back now. And first thing first, let me show you where I stay, where I am currently, and yeah, but I will do a sit down will follow soon, maybe later today or tomorrow, I am not sure. But for now, I want to start with the apartment tour. I am currently in Saudi Arabia, and this apartment is part of the package. I don't pay anything for it, and yeah, utilities are covered like electricity, water, Wi-Fi, and the apartment itself. It comes with like basic things such as, let's start a kitchen. It comes with okay, let me show you and then you will see the things. But it's a functional apartment. I was okay with it when I moved in because I hadn't seen the others, you know. I was like, okay, it's perfect, and to think that I'm not paying a cent for it, it is okay. But when I went to other people's room, no, I'm jealous. Like, I'm finding every reason to complain so that they can move me. And the person who was here before I came, yeah, she moved to another room and she's happy there. So now I'm looking for reasons so that they can move me. But so far so good. It's a lazy apartment tour. Yeah, I'm easing myself into coming back to YouTube. Thank you. See you soon. As you enter again, this is your view. Let's start here. Niyabona masinomnyango lesingene ngawo, and here's my kitchen. It's like a standard kitchen. There's a washing machine, there's a 4-plate. So here's my washing machine. I'm currently doing laundry, and then 4-plate stove, 1 basin sink, and yeah, mini countertop. Then you have your shelves, drawers type of a thing. Yeah, sengindile mini grocery breakfast. And some of the things I came with from South Africa, such as umili meal, isamp. There's umili meal there again. Okay, these I bought from here: bread, potatoes, bananas, onions, so mandilawa, water, and voila, dishes. So you get like your basic utensils, plates and pots, like they give 2 pots. I'll show you the unboxing. I'll just put it here. Delivered from school. Okay, before, these are the things I got on the day I arrived here. So this is water, bread, and those are eggs. This is what they brought. Let's unpack it together. It's like 4 plastics. 4, yeah. So I've got 2 pots. Okay. And it's 2 for 6 spoons. And 2 5 bowls. Voila. And then now let's move to this side. I really don't understand what is going on here. What is the situation here? I'm still gonna go to Pinterest and find inspiration for this type of structure. You know, you have your fridge. Yeah, sengithengile tinjwana nje letincane, yebo, like grocery nyana. Go empty la. Let's move along. How angavali a bathroom. So we have this passage, like it's, I don't know whether it's a passage or I need to convert it to be my living room type of a situation. I will see. Vele sekuvulekile la bathroom asiqale khona. So this is the bathroom. Okay, ningayibuki le mess leya leyendekako kuningi lokwendekako laphana. Here's your sink and your mirror. Makoti, sawubona makoti, unjani? Uphilile koti? Ngiyaphila nami. Wamukelekile emntini wakamasuku, sicela usiphathele kahle bantfu bethu. Siyabathanda, ubaphekele, ubanakekele nje. Alright, moving along. Here's a top, and then it's a spacious shower shame, like Nebazimos, it's open showers. There's a shower thing, and then ngalana nglasnega corner. There are my towels, and yo. So okay, menu, see a bedroom. Okay, as you enter, this is your view. So in a couch, I don't know whether to take it that side, but I'm a reader, so I'd love to chill there, make it cozy and read my books, you know. And then I have my 3/4 bed and a bedside table, the wardrobe, and then this side now hleli embedeni ubuka lana, ubuka TV, and then here's a table. Sawubona makoti, sawubona makoti, sawubona makoti, sawubona makoti, sawubona makoti. You know, these are my books. Some of them I read already, but I keep on reading them. Like the Rules of Work, I read this book every year. Talk Like a TED, I read it every year. Girls Stop Apologizing, I really loved this book and I need to revisit it again. The Awakened Woman, Confidential Journey, I think I've shared something about Confidential Journey. And then we have Things I've Been Silent About, The Purpose Driven Life, Be a Hero, my Bible, Don't Drop the Mic, my favorite book. It only takes everything you've got, and then 100 Days of Believing, and then my journal. Sibuye. Lama Fastero, I don't know. Let me show you the whole thing. Oh, Anga Kanyi, see how, Jude. Okay. Yeah, hanging tons little kitten little maroon. I need to get like cream white or maybe white. Yeah, I'll see. Or baby blue, pastel blue. And then your wardrobe. Okay. I haven't bought like dividers as yet. So kunjalo nje, you know. Yo. And then these are my things. Sesicedzile njalo nje. Sesicedzile. Yabo. Okay, I still need to get hangers, dividers, or button storage arrangers, those things. Yabo. Yeah, sangihlele empedeni nyana. Yabona uhlele empedeni. This is my view. Maybe I need to get a plant there next to the TV. And some good lighting, something, maybe LED light, something that will illuminate the room, you know. And then here's the side. I need to wash that thing. Angathi ukuthi why banginike couch lengcolile. But yeah, so